So fast is not the goal. The speed limit's the goal. That's what I want to do. The goal for me when I ride is to give myself this out. I want to focus in. I want to zone into the ride because I want to zone out of all the other bullshit going on in my life. I want to zone in here. That's my goal. So that's what I'm doing. So fast is not the goal. My enjoyment, my happiness, and reducing all the other crap out in the world is my goal. We got an intersection right here. I got sides of the vehicles. Obviously, the red light for them, but I'm not too worried. But I'm going to go ahead and practice my presentation, and now I'm back into yellow stage. If you have no idea what the heck I'm talking about, we talk about how to ride and plan your ride, which we'll be talking a little bit later here in the MTC Rider Academy. It's only $4.99, and you get all these downloadables, all the books, all those things. Anyways, let's go ahead and keep going. So the goal is to get to point A to point B as safe as possible and without crashing. We want to get home to our loved ones. We want to get to our work. We want to get home from work. We want to be able to watch our TV shows and continue watching these live streams that we do every Tuesdays and Thursdays. That is the goal. The goal is not to haul ass and go fast. Now that's, you know, it's fun. I'm not saying it's not fun. I'm not saying don't do it. I'm just saying that's not my goal. So if you're like me, let's keep watching this. Let's keep going. All right.